Hello, grade 7 students. Our lesson for today is the perpendicular bisector of a segment, the bisector of an angle. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to identify a bisector of a given angle and how to construct the bisector of an angle. Let's start as usual by checking your prerequisite. Can you write the name of the marked angle here?
The marked angle is between the two rays, AB and AC. So the name of this angle is BAC with A in the middle. In figure B, the marked angle is between the two rays, AE and EB. So the name of this angle is AEB with E in the middle.
That's good. Now, can you write the coded properties in each of the following figures? But before that, do you know what do we mean by coded properties?
Coded properties is the given shown in the figure. In figure A, we have MB equal to MN and angle AMN equal to 90 degrees. In figure B, we have angle BAN equal to angle NAC since the two marked angles have the same color or symbol.
Now, can you tell me what does the line MN represent in each figure?
In figure A, we have an A equal to an B, so we can say that N is the midpoint of segment AB. Angle MNA equal to 90 degrees, so we can say that MN perpendicular to AB. Since MN perpendicular to AB and pass through its midpoint, we can say that MN is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB.
Very good. What about figure B?
Figure B is the same as figure A.
Good. Now, can you give me some real life examples on perpendicular bisectors?
Yes, floor wiper and a razor.
Yes, that's good. Now, let's define the bisector of an angle. What is meant by a bisector of an angle? An angular bisector is a straight line that divides the angle into two equal angles. Consider the given angle CAD. Look, there is a bisector that has divided it into two equal parts. If AB is a bisector of angle CAD, then CAB is equal to angle BAD. Consider this example also. We have ABC equal to 120 degrees. There is a bisector that has divided the angle into two equal angles with 60 degrees each. Now, can you identify the bisector in each figure?
In figure A, we have angle CAB equal to angle BAD since the two angles are marked by the same color. So the line BA divides the angle CAD into two equal angles. So we can deduce that the line AB is the bisector of angle CAD.
Very good. What about this figure?
In figure B, we have angle BAH equal to 45 degrees and angle DAH equal to 45 degrees. So the line AH divides the angle BAD into two equal angles. So we can deduce that the line AH is the bisector of angle BAD.
Very good. And what about this figure?
In figure C, we have angle ACB equal to angle BCD since the two angles are marked by the same color. So the line BC divides the angle ACD into two equal angles. So we can deduce that the line BC is the bisector of angle ACD.
Very good. Now, look at this figure. Can we say that BC is a bisector of the angle ABH?
The line BC is not a bisector for angle HBA since the two angles HBC and CBA are not equal because they have different colors or different symbols.
Good. Now we move to the second objective of this lesson, which is to learn how to construct a bisector of an angle. Tell me, do you know what are the instruments needed?
To construct a bisector of an angle, we need a compass and a ruler.
Good. And what are the steps you have to follow to draw this bisector?
In order to construct a bisector for angle BAC, we have to follow three steps. The first step is to open the compass and place it at the point A and draw a curve. This curve intersects the line AB at a point and AC at a point. The second step is to place the compass at this point and draw another curve or arc and do the same at this point. But keep in mind that you should not change the opening of the compass or its radius. So, and we draw another curve. The two curves intersect at this point. The third step is to use the ruler to join the point A with this point. And this is the bisector for angle BAC, and we have this angle will be equal to this angle.
Great. Now let's do some practice. I need you to construct the bisector of angle ADB. What are you going to do?
As we said before, to construct a bisector for an angle, we have to use a compass and a ruler. Here we want to construct a bisector for angle ADB. We follow the three steps. The first step is to open the compass and place it at the point D and draw a curve. This curve intersects the two lines AD and BD in 2 points. Again, step number 2, we place the compass at this point and draw another curve. We do the same at this point, but keep in mind that you should not change the opening of the compass or the radius. And we draw a curve. As you see, the two curves intersect at this point. The third step is to use the ruler in order to join this point with point D. And this is the bisector for angle D, ADB. So this angle will be equal to this angle.
Very good. Now let's try to solve this exercise together. In the adjacent figure, it is given that MN is parallel to BC and angle ANM is equal to angle MNB. Part A. What does the line MN represent for angle ANB?
Angle A and M equal to angle M and B. This is given. So the line MN is the bisector of angle A and B.
Good. Now part B. Can you show that angle ANM is equal to angle NBC?
In fact, there is no direct relation between angle A and M and angle NBC. So there is a problem. But if we look at the given, we find that MN is parallel to BC.
Good. And what does it mean to have two given parallel lines?
We can find alternating or corresponding angles.
Good. Can you find any of these angles in this figure?
Yes, since MN parallel to BC, and if we look at the figure, we find a letter Z, which means that angle MNB equal to angle NBC, and the reason is alternating angles.
Good, but the question asks you to prove that angle ANM is equal to angle NBC.
We have just proved that angle MNB equal to NBC, but from the given we know that angle ANM equal to angle MNB. So we can deduce that angle ANM equal to NBC.
Great. Now, let's review what we have learned from this video. Actually, we've learned two things. First, how or what is an angular bisector? We said that an angular bisector is a straight line that divides the angle into two equal angles. We have also learned how to construct a bisector of an angle using a compass and a ruler. Thank you.